Well, so good morning, ladies, gentlemen, friends, and colleagues. Welcome to this first Climate Risk Forum in 2014. In the past few years, we have learned a lot on how to identify the risks and weaknesses linked to index insurance products. My expectation for the discussions today is certainly to not only focus on pure index solutions, but certainly try and discuss how we could develop these hybrid solutions.
80% of the world's food insecure people live in rural areas. Without good risk management to deal with increasing weather variability, they simply are not able to meet their daily needs.
We've scaled up in Ethiopia to reach 25,000 farmers. Women particularly are benefiting the most, it seems, from insurance. They're stopping sharecropping their land, hiring agricultural labor to grow food on their land, hiring plow oxen, keeping kids in school.
Index insurance, the value comes from when the insurance helps you unlock a possibility. So you need to use the insurance to complement your other risk management strategies to be able to become a more productive farmer.
The beauty of index insurance is that you're going to rely on some index which is going to provide a proxy for the loss of the farmer. So that in itself is much more efficient from an administration point of view.
It's a great solution in terms of its effectiveness to protect the farmer. Then of course the lenders on the financial sector are also going to feel more comfortable providing credit to these farmers.
But there are very, very interesting examples in parts of the world, including sub-Saharan Africa, where through index insurance, that has mitigated some of the risk that farmers face, particularly if it's linked with credit. Someone providing credit is more likely to provide it to a farmer with insurance, knowing that if it's a complete failure, these maize varieties, the farmer will get the money back and will be able to pay back the loan that they receive.
The public-private partnership is very important to develop the product successfully. Why? Because we are not in every country, and we are going to need to rely as a private operator on local support to retail the product, to educate the consumer.
So my question is about scaling up. Okay. What I think we need is some sort of a roadmap for how you actually scale up. If we're not ready to scale up, just let us know. Let's say that.
So within these public-private partnerships, I think a very important topic is to understand that we are here to stay. We're here to work together in the long term. And just going into a micro, meso, or macro program addressing weather risk is not to provide a solution to the markets for 1 or 2 years. It's really to be working together along 10, 15 years or more.
If we take the example of Ethiopia again, these farmers have never been insured. One of the common questions that farmers would ask us was, okay, we paid premium and there was no loss, it was a good year, so why don't you give us back our premium? So we really have to explain the insurance concept.
Index insurance seems to work when you do the work and when you try and solve a problem. And it's the real key to it is that it's got to be all the people in the system are contributing to help solve this problem. If you can address those challenges, then it works. And then we have overwhelming demand, we have impacts, we see people using it as a tool to improve their lives.